Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. It is Friday the 19th and I just got home from Trader Joe's down in Albany. I haven't been to Trader Joe's in a while. So I grabbed a bunch of stuff that I needed to stock up on and just a few new things to try. Everything here was $90. It was really nice because I didn't have to buy any meat because I'm very stocked up with meat and that's usually the culprit for a higher grocery bill. So I had to grab some eggs. So just grabbed a dozen there. Matt loves these vanilla almond granola bars, so I grabbed those. I've been eyeing this each time I've gone there, but I've never grabbed it, and today I pulled the trigger. It is the French berry lemonade. I thought this sounded really good, like over a glass of ice. I got some balsamic glaze. This is the best balsamic glaze. It's so good and so thick. It stays on anything you put it on. And I wanted to make some kind of a like caprese or bruschetta or something with tomatoes, so I grabbed that. I needed more sesame oil, so I grabbed one from Trader Joe's. This is my husband's favorite beer. He is very much like a craft beer person, so I got him some Ithaca apricot wheat, which is brewed right here in upstate New York in Ithaca, so he's going to be very excited about that. And then I also got some organic chocolate stout beer, which he'll also be very excited for as well. I grabbed some Sriracha kettle cooked potato chips for my brother. He loves spicy and Sriracha and potato chips, so I grabbed these for him because most likely I'll see him next week. I grabbed a huge thing. This thing is huge, of fresh basil. I'm going to use that in recipes this week. I got some banana chips. Love these. I got some of the little mini sweet pepper bites. I'm going to use these to dip in hummus as well as on salads. This is by far one of my favorite, probably top 5 ever Trader Joe's items. It is the Trader Joe's coconut cashews. They are so insanely good. I can't even explain it. If you like coconut, if you like cashews, you need these in your life. You will be hooked. I was almost tempted to buy 2 bags. They are pricey, they're $7.99, but they are worth every penny. They are incredibly good. So delicious. I've mentioned before, their greeting cards are a steal. They're 99 cents for any greeting card there. So I grabbed this one for a friend, which I'm sending a little package to in South Carolina. So I grabbed that. I got the mini cucumbers, again, hummus, salads, dipping in ranch, that kind of thing. Some mushrooms to roast this week. I got some of the organic rainbow cauliflower, which I'll roast up this week as well. I love cauliflower. It's actually one of my favorite vegetables to roast. I got a package of the Luna sweet cocktail tomatoes. Again, gonna do some kind of like bruschetta or caprese or something. I'm just craving tomatoes, basil, and balsamic vinegar, so I got that. I grabbed a bunch of frozen things to stock up with. So I got this shrimp stir fry, which will make for a really easy lunch or dinner for myself. I got the shrimp fried rice, which is also really good. This is a great side dish on a busy night. I got some shrimp dumplings. These are really good as well. Can you tell I'm in a shrimp mood? But I got these just to put out, like if people come over. They're a great little appetizer. They also make a really good lunch, like on the weekend if you're home. I got some broccoli. I got some zucchini, some Trader Joe's shredded hash browns. I always like to have 1 or 2 packages of hash browns because we do a lot of breakfast for dinner. These, the gnocchi is really, really good from there. This is my favorite one, the sweet potato gnocchi with butter and sage. Let me tell you, this makes an incredible lunch, or dinner, obviously, or side dish. It's just really, really good. I like gnocchi. I'm not the hugest fan, but this one is incredible, especially if you like sweet potato. Really, really good. Highly recommend this. And then this one, I can't recall ever trying this one. It's the gnocchi with tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese, but I cannot imagine it would be bad, so I'm excited for that. And then lastly, I grabbed a veggie fried rice because I love using these as a side dish, or if I make some kind of chicken, I like to always just have this to put on put the meat and stuff on top of here. So this is everything I got at Trader Joe's today. Again, I think it was like $99, so right around $100. And I will share with you guys now my meal plan for the week. Alright guys, so my meal plan for the week of the 22nd through the 28th. Who else can believe that April is about to be over, which means we're pretty much like halfway through this year. That's insane. Okay, So this upcoming week, one night I am going to do chicken cutlets. If you remember, last week I was going to do chicken cutlets, but I actually have been under the weather the past handful of days and just went to the doctor and found out that I had bronchitis, which I did not know. So I am feeling better. I got on antibiotics a couple days ago by the time you guys are seeing this, so I'm actually feeling a lot better. However, my meal plan from last week, everything on there didn't happen just because I wasn't feeling good. So I'm going to do chicken cutlets again since I didn't make them last week because they're a little bit time consuming. You have to pound them out, flour them, egg them, bread them, fry them, all of that. So I'm going to do chicken cutlets. I'm going to do some of that roasted cauliflower, the colored cauliflower from Trader Joe's. I'm going to roast some of that with some potatoes. I'll make a side salad with that meal. One night I'm going to do my Asian chicken lettuce wraps. I have a video on that, which I'll link below. And then I'm going to take a little help from Trader Joe's and make the shrimp fried rice as a side. I'm going to start doing one night a week of no meat. And actually sometimes when I do breakfast, I don't do meat, not even on purpose. Sometimes I'll do like eggs with toast and fruit, and I'll end up having no meat, like if I make hash browns or something. But I do want to start making one night a week like a specific no meat dish. Not really for any specific reason, just to kind of try it out. So I'm going to do a veggie pasta bake. I have several pasta bake videos that I've done here over the years on my channel. So I'll find whatever ones I can and link them below. I'll also link my entire cooking playlist down below. So I'm going to do whatever veggies I need to use up. I just saute them in a little olive oil, salt, pepper, basil, garlic, and then I will boil some pasta, toss it all together with a whole bunch of cheese and bake it. It's really easy, and the leftovers are good as well. And then right down the street, there's an excellent, excellent pizza place that has the best garlic knots, and they're super cheap. They're like 10 for $2. So I'm going to go pick up some fresh hot garlic knots that evening to go along with the pasta bake because theirs are much, much better than anything I can make. One night I'm going to do a pasta primavera with sausage. I'll probably use angel hair, and again, just cut up a bunch of veggies, saute them, fry up a little sausage, and then I'm going to do a tomato, basil, balsamic, and cucumber salad on the side. And one night I'm going to do enchiladas. I've talked about it before, and I believe I've showed how I do my enchiladas in like a few what's for dinner videos, but I just use a very simple recipe, which actually comes right in the back of the enchilada sauce of the can. The recipe actually comes on the can. Super easy. You guys always go crazy whenever I post like Instagram pictures because they look really fancy and they're so easy. So I'm going to do enchiladas, yellow rice. I'll throw in some pinto beans. I'm going to do some cut up veggies and ranch, probably like carrot, celery, cucumber with some ranch to dip. Breakfast for dinner or leftovers, which I always give myself that free pass once a week. It makes things easier. And then one night, next probably weekend, either Friday or Saturday night, we are going to be either doing one of two things. We're either going to be going out to dinner with friends or having friends over here and getting some kind of takeout, whether that's Chinese food, Italian food, whatever the case may be. So it's nice because 2 nights automatically. This night is really easy with breakfast or leftovers, and one night I won't have to cook at all, which is great. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I continue every week to get questions about my meal planner. This is a Carrie L meal planner. Usually in every single grocery haul video, I link in the description box below everything I mention as far as what I have for content. I always link my review on this. I have a permanent discount code with Carrie L. These are wonderful. They really help me stay on track and have a little bit more structure. I know a lot of you guys have ordered them and love them. She has all different planners. So again, I'll link it down below for anybody who's new and doesn't know about them. Hope you guys all have a great weekend. And I do have a bonus video coming up on Saturday with my girl Kira over at 50 Shades of Mom. So make sure you check that out. It's a Power Hour video. And I will see you guys actually tomorrow in my next video. Bye, guys.